KBTK Bhakti Tunas Harapan membuka pendaftaran peserta didik baru untuk tahun ajaran 2021-2022. Dapatkan diskon spesial jika putra-putri Anda bergabung bersama kami sekarang juga. Tunggu apa lagi? Segera hubungi kami di sini.
Good morning, kids. Well, it always feels good to see you. How about you? I hope you feel good too and feel happy. What is today's activity? Ta-da! Today we're going to make 2 baby birds and the nest. And as usual, please prepare all the things needed, all the materials and the tools. Okay, and let's make 2 baby birds and also the nest together. Yes? Good, great. If you have finished making the 2 baby birds and the nest, please take photo of you holding this and don't forget to put a smile on your face. Okay? Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. Always happy playing and happy studying at home. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. We're going to meet again next week. See you. God bless you all, kids. Bye.